She's walking me out the door. Say welcome to our channel. Ugh. I got a big old hat on and big old thick coat, and it's really not that cold out. Like I said, you don't know how to dress. There's my Annabelle. She don't like the goats because one of them got her. All right, y'all ready to eat? My gosh, well, I mean, it's cold, but not that cold. Come on, Star. Star. What's wrong with you? Come on. All right. My husband put his a thing on his tag. Hi, guys. Oh, I have to hold my phone down all the time. Check. My gosh. All right. He holla. Look at this, guys. I just showed a full thing yesterday. Look at this. Look what they've done. They've even ripped the side off. What do you want? That's crazy. Y'all like wild out. Well, sorry. Ooh, she gonna slap you. But yeah, you see how fast they go through food and waste it? I have to go get another job. All right. Let's go feed everybody. Hey, pretty girl, why's your tail down? Please don't go into labor anytime soon. All right, I'm getting you. Are you gonna let me in? Go. Get. Watch yourself. Guys, make sure there's no eggs around this time. Alright, let's see if we got a surprise. Anything? Look, one egg. Okay, one egg. Let's see the other one. As I stated, I'll be getting one egg. I guess. Hopefully I don't forget this is in my pocket. What you doing, huh? What you doing? You're such big guys. Yes. You're getting so big. Yes. Alright. I can't run around trying to catch a chicken. I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna come out here and rake it off. Put down some stuff for them. Oh, now that you're laying eggs, you're too good for me, eh? Eh? I got gloves on. It doesn't hurt when you peck me. Yeah. Pretty birds. I think that white one is the one that's supposed to lay like blue eggs or something like that, I hope. Yeah, because I want the colored eggs. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Oh. Thanks for the visit. So, see how they act with this puppy. Jack. What is it, Jack? What is it? Lily. Lily looks like she's about to fall asleep. Is it sleep time? We're chasing goats. I like Honey's the boss of the family. Oh. She's protecting Star. Okay. Star's like, protect me, honey. So he's like, ooh. He has to learn. They're all gonna get up in the chair. That's too funny. Well, now they both go down. Grazing. Honey. Honey. Oh, all snuggly in the sun. That's cute. I'll leave you alone. Let you sleep. I'm trying to fill your water up anyway. You have to let him know you ain't gonna put up with his running after you. See, that's how you teach him, huh? Start curious for him. All those leaves, clean water and leaves. I just, and then my poor little hose is frozen. It's still coming out though. I hear a helicopter or something coming. Look, they're both up there. So we put him in there with Bonnie, and he climbs out. So yeah, that's not gonna work. I hear it coming. I see it. Let's see if we can find it coming. There it is. Cool. On this Friday. Oh, yeah, there's another one. What's up? Let's see if I can get this one closer. Awesome. Entertainment for the day. Oop, and I let my water run over. Look at the water. They're like playing. Well, that was exciting. They're playing. Here comes that. Uh-oh, here comes the pain in the butt. Yeah. I'm turn this water off with one hand. I have carpal tunnel in my wrist, so they're weak. I'm playing. She's so cute, man. Oh God, that was so funny. She's like, what happened? Honey couldn't make it through it. That was funny. You couldn't make it through there, honey. You couldn't make it through? You're too fat. They're getting ready to snooze. What do they call it? They're never playing. Boy, we're busy over here. I'll see it in the there it is. Yeah. They're playing. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to go in. I forgot about the egg. Alright, it's okay. Yeah, I love seeing them play. He's licking her lips. No. Come on. Alright guys, I gotta go in. Where'd she go? She hiding behind the tree. Picky boo. So funny. Star, where are you? I see you. No. It's really, I love it because before they all were wanting each other really bad, and also now they're like a little pack. They protect each other. They go where everybody else go. It's like they're three little stooges, and I love it. Mr. Pain in the butt. No, no. No jump. You ain't gonna be jumping on nobody. Right. But Mr. Pain in the butt is here. Make sure I didn't break my one egg. I'm proud of my one egg today. I gotta water everybody. Let's get that done. Cat. Please, no more cats here. Look at that. She just ran off. Oh my God. No more cats. We can't afford to feed no more cats. Just found a baby kitten that was so bony, and my son took it in. Okay, come on, leave him alone. He'll slap your ass. I can't believe there's another cat. Oh my goodness. And then there's Motor. Run, Motor, run! I can't believe another cat's around. Lily, I'm working very hard. Look at them nostrils. I have nothing for you. Oh, Jack. Oh, I do have carrots, but I'm working outside, building something special today, so I'll get your carrots later. See, y'all made a mess. You give everybody a kiss? You gonna get a kiss at you? Silly animals. Oh, silly Jack. I'll bring you a carrot later. She has to eat it from the side. She gonna kick your butt. Ooh, your breath stinks. You need a mint. Goodbye. Motor, are you thirsty? Alright. My new building gadget that my husband is actually helping me with. Look at this. I lift it up. That's gonna be the roof. Okay. I lifted the roof up so I could be able to get in there if they're having the babies. But we're not done. I'll show you the end when we're done. Now I have to use this. You're so cute. You're silly. Ooh, your breath. Dang. We're up with that breath. Alright, I go back to work now. Look at all the birds. And that's nothing. A lot of them flew away when I noticed them. What is going on? Whoa, they flew away. Now they went in front. Let's see if I can get them without disturbing them. Quiet, Tammy, quiet. Oh, man. Look at all of them. Wow. Are we having... What is going on with all the birds? Ooh. Look, they're all up in the trees. It's weird, they all have red heads and stuff. They're all lined up. They're so cute. They're getting nice and big. They're on lockdown. Go see what we've got in here. Oh, they talkative today. It rained, so yeah. It is a mess. No. There's always one in this one. Oh. See if there's one in the other one. Nope, just one egg. Thank you guys. We ate all the other eggs. They were very good. Yes, they were. I had to convince my husband to eat one, and after he ate it, he loved them. So keep on making them, guys. Guess all the birds are gone. That was crazy. Hello, kitty cats. It ain't even near your time to eat. Jack's scary heel. Well, he was. Okay, so now, Bonnie, now I have that open to put something in there, and I'm trying to think. That might be where I put the mama and the babies when they're old enough, because let him get his thing out. Okay, thank you. But because now Bonnie's getting out of that. So, and we didn't realize she was out, and she was gone. But we got her. So now she is staying in a crate and has to be walked on leash to go potty, and to play we have to stand there. So yeah, Bonnie's in lockdown. I don't know why she's like that. I mean, that was a lot, and she still climbed those metal. I don't know, it's crazy. I cannot believe y'all are out of hay. This is crazy. Don't you give me no mouth. What are we gonna do with y'all? She keeps, huh? What's up with the mouth? Nasty taste, or are you feeling guilty for eating all that hay? Who did it? Huh? Did you? Let me see that belly. Yeah, it looks like it. Don't you give me attitude either. Stop eating so much. What the world you got bark stuck to your butt for? How the world you get wood bark? Bark. It's been laying on the ground. I love how he jerks his neck back when he gets attitude. You want to show them some attitude? Throw your head back. Do your little thing. Them big old ears. Say, whatever. Ah, he did it. You're so goofy. Look at them ears, guys. He'll do it again. He's like, I'm coming to get you, woman. You can't come up here. He's stretching. Oh, he's so cute. What you stretching like that for? Eating too much? Oh my gosh. You got leaves and bark on you too. What have y'all been doing? Did y'all escape and then like come back and pretend you've been in here? Or y'all in the woods partying? Huh? You gonna give me attitude again? What's wrong, Jack? Y'all wanna come out? I'm gonna let you out. I think I will. I'm gonna let y'all out for a while. I'm trying to think if nothing's out, nothing's loose that Jack can kill. Let me think hard. No, I don't think anybody's out. All right, let's go. Be free. Here he comes. He's like, please let me free. Run, Jack, run. God, he's huge. All right, be free for a while. Enjoy your day. I'm going in. Bye-bye, Jack.